Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Thinkific versus Teachable. Which is the best course platform for creators? In order to answer this question, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, their strengths and their weaknesses, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your choice into a service. We have the links to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. When it comes to the features, both Thinkific and Teachable offer drag and drop course builders, support various lesson types, includes built-in payments processing, and allow custom domains. They also both integrate AI tools for content creation. But here's how they differ. Thinkific provides unlimited courses on most paid plans, offers robust community features, includes digital downloads and coaching sessions, features sales tools like order bumps, and boasts extensive support resources. Teachable, on the other hand, has product limits on lower tier plans. It offers unlimited communities and coaching products. It also includes affiliate marketing tools, provides course completion certificates, and grants students access to a dedicated mobile app. Of course, with these features, the pricing is important. Thinkific offers plans with no transaction fees when using Thinkific payments. You have the basic plan at $49 per month, and this comes with unlimited courses, one community, and custom domain. The start plan at $99 per month adds unlimited live sessions, unlimited memberships, and HTML and CSS editing. If you're trying to grow further, you have the Grow plan at $199 per month, and this features 3 communities, group orders, and advanced commerce features. The Plus plan is great for enterprise level needs, so you will need to contact sales in order to get your quote. Teachable, on the other hand, has the starter plan at $39 per month, and this comes at a 75% transaction fee with one published product. The builder plan is at $89 per month, no transaction fees, and 5 published products. You have the growth plan at $189 per month with 0 transaction fees as well, and 25 published products. The advanced plan is at $399 per month with no transaction fee and 100 published products. All these plans include unlimited product creation, AI course creation, iOS student app, global payment, and marketing tools. The builder, growth, and advanced plans also include an affiliate program. And now to the pros and cons. Thinkific's strengths include 0 transaction fees, it is user-friendly, unlimited courses are available, strong support, and robust community. On the other hand, it has limited website customization, basic marketing, no native blogging as it requires external integrations for blogging, and it has a higher tier cost as top plans are expensive. Teachable, on the other hand, has its strengths in being user-friendly, having a flexible design, integrated marketing, automatic tax, and a mobile app as students can access via a dedicated app. On the flip side, with the cons, it has transaction fees on some plans. It also has a higher base price, product limits restrictions on published products, and customer support can be hard to reach from time to time. And it has basic quizzes, and the quizzing tools are less advanced when compared to other competitors. Both Thinkific and Teachable are powerful platforms. Thinkific excels with no transaction fees and unlimited courses, ideal for scaling content. Teachable offers a beginner-friendly experience with strong integrated marketing, though transaction fees on lower plans are a key factor. So basically, your choice depends on your budget, desired features, and business goals. Don't forget to check out the links to both Thinkific and Teachable in the description below so you can enjoy these services. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.